Dallas County in southeastern Texas until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the public reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area, making roads in Ireland impassable. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen in the past hour at Keegansville. The storm has a history of producing rain rates up to 4 inches per hour in Sugar Land. Some locations that may experience flooding include northwestern Pearland, northern Missouri City, Bel Air, West University Place, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Midtown Houston, Greenway, or Upper Kirby area, Nortown, or Montrose, Southwestern Memorial Park, Greater Third Ward, Eastern Eldridge, or West Oaks, University Place, Astrodome area, McGregor, Afton Oaks, or River Oaks area, Fourth Ward, Mission Bend and Spring Branch West. Additional rainfall rates in excess of 2 inches per hour are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area